Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PostGrid in WordPress. First, we'll explore why a PostGrid is essential for modern websites, helping you showcase content beautifully. We'll then dive into selecting the right plugin to achieve this, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your existing theme. This method will significantly improve your site's navigation and overall aesthetic, making it more engaging for every visitor. Let's get started on transforming your content display. Choosing the right plugin is crucial for a successful PostGrid. Look for options that offer extensive customization, allowing you to control layout, colors, and typography. A good plugin should also be lightweight, ensuring it doesn't slow down your website's loading speed. We'll discuss how to evaluate different plugins based on user reviews and active installations, helping you make an informed decision for your specific needs. This step sets the foundation for a professional-looking grid. Once your plugin is installed, configuring the grid is straightforward. You'll access the plugin settings to define how many columns and rows your grid will have, and which post types it should display. Experiment with different layouts and styles to find what best suits your content and brand. Remember to preview your changes frequently to ensure everything looks perfect on various devices. This hands-on setup will bring your vision to life quickly and efficiently. To truly optimize your post grid, consider exploring advanced features such as custom queries to display specific content or Ajax loading for a smoother user experience. Always keep your plugin updated to benefit from the latest features and security patches, ensuring your site remains robust. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Implementing these tips will make your post grid both powerful and visually stunning, keeping your audience engaged.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.